How do I know if an HVAC repair is only a temporary fix? Look for the same problem returning soon, a repair that addresses only one symptom, or an aging system that needs frequent service. A temporary repair often gets the equipment running without fixing the reason it failed. For example, replacing a blown fuse may restore power, but the fuse may have blown because a motor is overheating or a wire is shorting. Ask the technician to explain what caused the failure, not just what part was replaced. A warning sign is when the same noise, leak, weak airflow, or temperature problem returns within days or weeks. Another warning sign is adding refrigerant without finding and repairing the leak, because refrigerant should not normally disappear from a closed system. Keep invoices and write down the date, symptoms, parts replaced, and how long the repair lasted. Compare repair costs with the system's age, energy use, and history, especially when the unit is more than 10 years old. You can also request test results, such as refrigerant pressure, electrical readings, airflow measurements, or a safety check, so you know the repair was verified. One common mistake is assuming that a new part automatically means a lasting repair, so ask what caused the original part to fail. Another mistake is accepting repeated refrigerant refills as normal. Ask for a leak test and a written repair estimate instead. People also wait until the system stops completely, but unusual sounds, short cycling, burning smells, rising utility bills, or uneven temperatures are earlier clues, so schedule an inspection before the next breakdown. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.